Hi there. I'm Laura Johnson with Your Money Harvest. And Your Money Harvest is just a little special place that I have designed to come and maybe kind of archive, I guess you can say, the types of things I'm learning when it comes to building wealth for my family, something that has never really been on the radar. And you start getting these little glimpses of tidbits of information and just thinking, why don't we all know all this information? And so that's kind of where the heart of this has come from. It's evolved into a lot of different things and it will continue to evolve. I plan on this being something I do for a very long time, because as one thing we have really understood is that money never goes away. Like learning about money, I'd be 95 years old, still learning about things about money. So I'm here to put this little workshop together, have it on video on demand, just on the website, not behind like anything. I'm not a finance guru. I am not anyone that CNN would be calling to talk to me about personal finance and setting up your family for wealth. I mean, that is not my expertise. I am a mom, two daughters, going into we're venturing into teenage years. And so I don't have littles, but I am still a stay-at-home mom. And I am learning and just seeing how decisions that I make right now with our family's financial income is going to affect years down the road. And I would like my daughters, my family to be set up for success. And that's kind of what this is about. I just have three. I keep looking at my notes, but I have three lessons for you today. And I will have three separate different videos where it will kind of outline. And I promise it's just not, it's not scripted. It's not scripted. It's not gonna be perfect. In fact, it probably won't be very pretty. But it will get done, and you will be able to at least see where I've been coming from and kind of a glimpse as to what your money harvest is going to kind of take you on a little journey of discovery and I guess progress with finances and education. So we'll get that going, and I'll see you in the video, number one video.